How to dealing with cellular signals problems in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings, and here you can see the option airplane mode. Now here you can turn on or off your airplane mode. The another way to turn on or off your airplane mode is swipe down to your control center, and here you can turn on or off your airplane mode. Turning on or off your airplane mode, it will fix your minor glitches. After doing these steps, then open settings and click on general. Now scroll down in last and click on transfer or reset iPhone, and then click on reset. Click on reset network settings. Now here enter your passcode to reset all the network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then reinsert your SIM card, and after reinserting your SIM card, your cellular signals problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.